blockchains are essentially a jointly trusted infrastructure where trust is established by having everybody participate in the operations. However, they typically fail to scale because of their complexity. So on the one hand, we already have challenges to align data formats. Now we want to align decentralized governance. We have complexity of interdependencies between the participants. So how do we allocate cost of innovation? Who participates to what degree, and how much can they expect in return? We also have the complexity of operations, because either you have the skills and resources yourself to be part of the operators, or you have to trust in the skills and intentions of those operators. And last but not least, there's also the complexity of establishing trust, because on the one hand, you need either authorities to guarantee for the trust, or you need to reach a true decentralization, which is very hard in a B2B context, because we always need somebody to hold accountable if something goes wrong. So if we look at the core of what blockchain in many cases tries to achieve, it's to create that immutability, to build trust for collaboration. And if we look at it from that perspective, there are basically two aspects. On the one hand, we have the blockchain cryptography. So all of those blocks are chained in a way so that if you trust one of those blocks, you can trust all previous blocks, because the only way to change it is to rewrite the entire series. However, since of course everybody can rewrite the entire series, we're decentralizing the infrastructure so that no individual actor can do so. However, why do we have to write all blocks in coordination with all stakeholders? Doesn't that cause exactly that complexity? And on the other hand, if we already have different trust silos, like authorities, but also established blockchains, why is everybody trying to reinvent the wheel and build trust for himself? Can't we simply go and connect, basically, or publish our results decentrally?